Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is one of the interview question. Question is like to find number of records will generate after applying different types of joins like inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, cross join. Regarding this, already I made one video to find number of records. So this is a sequence for that video. So in that video, I explained two interview questions uh, on same concept, finding number of records. So on same concept, I collected almost 10 similar interview questions. So here I'm trying to explain those questions. Okay. So before that, we need to understand in SQL. So null is not equal to null. Okay, this is the first one. Second one is we cannot join two nulls together. Okay, so null value will not joined with null value because null is unknown value. Okay, so this I will explain when when doing joins. So this is the syntax for different types of joins. Okay, select star from table one. You can give alias and inner join. Type is inner join table two alias name on condition. Table one of ID one, table one of ID one. That is column name. So this syntax is common for all the joins except cross join. So only difference will come here. If it is inner join, otherwise left join, right join, full outer join, cross join. So cross join only difference is you no need to mention on condition. Okay, so remaining same. And to find number of records after join, after you apply join. Okay, so here also same syntax. Only difference is instead of star, we need to write count star to get number of records after applying inner join. Okay, so this code is same, almost similar. So now we'll directly go for question one. So question is like how many rows will generate when we apply inner join, left join, right join, and you can consider for this also full outer join and cross join for below tables. So what we have table is table one we have two records, table two we have three records. So I'm just taking screenshot. Now, first what I'm doing, I'm trying to create script for table one. So we have only two records. Okay, create table, table name, and insert script for one and one. So we'll generate table by using select star. Okay, so these things I'm going little fast. So all these things covered in my first video about this script and all. Okay, so next I'm creating table 2. So table 2 we have three records, three ones. Okay. So now we completed creating two tables. Now we'll come for how to do inner join. See inner join, what is the definition? So we need to find matching records from both the tables. See this is my first table. So in first table, how many ones are there? Two. Two ones are there. So that I written here. See ones. So once in first table, how many I have? Two. And in second table, how many I have? Three. Okay, three ones I have. So that I written here. So once from first table, two. Once from second table, three. So 2 into 3, 6. So these many records will generate if you apply this inner join. If you run this code, you will get total 6 records. And see here, all are ones only. Okay, so these whole 6 records all are ones only. See here, all are ones, and you are getting 6 rows. And we'll go for next left join. So in left join, what we'll do first matching records. First we'll find out how many matching records and how many non-matching records. So if you see here, so matching records are same, how we got in inner join. And now look for non-matching records. See these ones are there in table 1 and table 2, and we don't have any other value which is non-matching records. Okay, so that's why I given NA. So even for left join also, we are getting total 6 records, that to all ones. See here, all ones. Next, we'll go for right join. In right join, as per definition, we'll go for first matching records from both the table and non-matching records from right table. See, earlier we saw from left table. Now we'll see from right table. So this is right table. See, all are ones. So here matching is there. And here also we don't have any non-matching record. So that's why here given is NA. So finally, for right join also, we'll generate total 6 records, and all 6 records are ones only. Okay. And if you see here, see, we are getting same result. And if you go for full join or full outer join, so what is the definition? One is matching records from both the tables and non-matching records from left table and right table. So matching records we already found from inner join, and the non-matching records from left table we already found while doing left join. See, we don't have any non-matching records, and for right join also we don't have non-matching records. So that's why I mentioned here NA for non-matching records of left and right join. So finally, how many records we'll get? These 6 records, that too all ones. See, here also we are getting all ones. And if you observe, for inner join, left join, right join, full outer join. So we are getting same output and same number of records. Next, we'll go for cross join. Okay, so cross join, okay, text I'm not written. So cross join, how we need to do is number of records from left table and how many records from right table. So first table we have 2 records, 2, and multiply with number of records in right table. That means 2 into 3 equal to total 6 records. Okay, see here, here we are getting 6 records. That is one way. And other way is we can do first row of table 1 with all rows of table 2. So that means 1 to 1, this 1 to 1, this 1 to 1. So we'll generate 3 records. Next, second row of table 1, this 1 to 1, this 1 to 1, this 1 to 1. So total 6 records will generate. Okay, so this is one question. And in other company, they asked on same concept, records are different. Okay, only difference is records are different. If you see here, 3 ones, 2, 4 ones, 3. So for this, I'm not written any code. So because same concept, 1 minute. So inner join, if you go for inner join, matching records, matching records, if you see here, first we'll take 1. So 1, how many records here? In table 1, 3. So that is this one. In table 1, once we have 3. And in table 2, once we have 4. Okay, that's why I mentioned 4. 4 ones. And 3 into 4, 12. So by applying inner join on these 2 tables, we'll generate 12 rows. And for left join, what we need to find? First, matching records. Second, non-matching records of left table. So matching records, this we already found here in inner join. And for non-matching records of left table, see here, first 3 are ones. we have matching record here, and 2 is there in left table, but we don't have matching record in table 2. So how many non-matching records are there in table 1? One record, that is 2. One record, 2's, that is 1. Sorry. So this about the left join. And the right join, what is the definition? Matching records from both the tables. This is common, we already found here. And non-matching records of right table. If you see in right table, once here also it is matching. 3 is there. So 3, we don't have matching record in table 1. So here, how many 3's are there? 1. So that is 1 3's in table 2. So how many records will generate? 1 record. So by using right join, it will generate total 13 records. This 12, this plus 1, 12, 13. And if you come to full join, matching records, non-matching records of left table, non-matching records of right table. Okay, so we have already matching records. We already found here matching records, and non-matching records of left table we are already found here, and non-matching records of right table we already found here. So total 12 plus 1 plus 1, total 14 records will generate. And if you see cross join, for cross join, what will do? Number of records in table 1, that is 4 into number of records in table 2, 5. So 4 into 5, 20 will generate. And in other interview, they asked similar question like this with null values. So for this question, same. So how many numbers will generate for this kind of joins? So first, I'll try to create a script here to create table 1 and table 2. This is table 1 and this is table 2 and first one. So here one more thing I want to tell is, here I'm not using to explain all these things either SQL or SSMS. I am explaining in Databricks platform. So it is advantage to both who are all working on SQL and Databricks. So for SSMS purpose, if there is any code difference is there, that I will mention here. Okay, so whatever query difference is there, I mentioned here like this. You can go through this. Okay, so if you have any doubts on this, just comment in this video description. I will reply for that. So first one is inner join. So inner join, if you take two tables, see in this total how many ones are there? 3. So that is 3 ones. And in second table, how many ones are there? 2 ones. So 2 ones. So 3 into 2, 6. So and we have null. Okay, so here we don't have matching record. So inner join will generate total 6 records. Okay, so you can cross verify with code also. See, we are getting 6 records and all are ones only. And you can use count star if you want to do count. Okay, so in SQL, you can use this syntax count star to find number of counts. But in Databricks point of view, if you run this join script itself, here it will generate how many rows it has. Means after applying join condition, how many rows it generated, it will give you here. For SQL users, you can use this count star. And who are working in Databricks platform, they can try with this code. Okay, for doing inner join and for doing count. This is mainly for Databricks users. So next we'll come to left join. So left join, what it mean? First we need to find matching records. So matching records we already found in inner join. We are getting total 6 and non-matching records from left table. So since this is left join, no? Left join, so we need to find non-matching records from left table. So all three are there. So in table 2 also we have matching is there, and we don't have non-matching records in left table. So that's why I given NA. So finally left join is generating total 6 records. Okay, so if you can cross verify with this code, see it generating total 6 records. And we'll go for right join. So right join, what it meaning? Matching records plus non-matching records of right table. So matching records already found. If you come to non-matching records of right table. So 1, 1. These ones already matching is there. For null, we don't have matching. Okay. So from this table, how many nulls are there? 1. That is 1 null. Okay. From right table. So total, how many it will generate? 1. But how output will generate? Null comma null. Why? Because here from right table we have null. Okay, but in left table we don't have matching record. So here it will generate null. So null, null, null. Okay, so that is the meaning, null, null. And if you see cross verify with this syntax, see these are all common records. These first 6 and 7th is non-matching record, null, null. And next we'll go for full outer join. So what is full outer join? Matching records already is there. Non-matching records from left table, non-matching records from right table. So this we already identified in left join and right join. So totally how many records will generate? 6 plus 1. Okay. So total 7 records will generate with full outer join. So this is non-matching record. These are all matching records. So next we'll go for cross join. So cross join, it is how many records in table 1? 3 records we have. How many records in table 2? 3 records. So 3 into 3, 9. So it will generate total 9 records. So that is simple way. And if you want in depth, you can do like this. First row with all rows of table 2. Second row with all rows of table 2. Third row with all rows of table 2. So it will give you this output. Okay. So next we'll go for third question. So this has been other interview. So first I'll take a screenshot. So this script is for creating table 1 and this script is for creating table 2. After creating script, I'm trying to create inner join. So inner join is matching records from both the tables. So 1, how many times it is repeating? Total 3 times. That is this one, 3. 3 ones from left table. And here 1, 2, 3. 3 times it is repeating table 2. So that is 3 ones in table 2. So 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. Okay. So 9 records it generating. Next, 2. So here how many 2s are there in this table? 1. And here how many are there? 1. Okay, so 1 and 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So total 10 records it generating by using inner join. So you can cross verify here. See, out of 10, 9 records, all only ones. And remaining 1 record, 2s. You see here, only 2s, only 1 record, remaining all ones. So similar way left join. So matching records we already found, and non-matching records of left join. So that means, see these ones, it is there, 2 also is there. So that means there is no non-matching record from left join. So that's why this is NA. So left join, how many generating? 10 records. See here, 10 records. So similar way for right join, matching records and non-matching records of right join. See here, one already available here, matching record is there, 2 also is there matching, and here also we not have non-matching records. So for right join also it will generate same output, 10 records. And next we'll go for full outer join. So full outer join, matching records we already found, non-matching records of left table already we found, non-matching records of right table we already found. So here NA for right join, for left join NA. So full outer join, what it generates? These 10 rows. So output will be same for full join also. Okay. And next cross join. So cross join, how many records are there here? 4. 4 into table 2 also we have 4 records. So 4 into 4, total 16 records it will generate. Okay. This is about cross join. Next, fourth question. This is for creating the table 1. This is for creating table 2. Table 2. So I created 2 tables. Then I'm going for inner join. What is inner join? We need to find out common records. So in this, how many ones are there in table 1? 2 we have. So 2 ones from table 1. And table 2, how many ones are there? Only 1 we have. That is 1. So 2 into 1, 2. Next, we'll check 2. 2, how many are there in this? 1. So here, how many are there? 2. So 2's 1, 2. So that means 1 into 2, 2. Next, 3. How many 3 are there? 2 are there here. And here 1 is there. See, 2 3's and here 1 3's. So 2 into 1, 2. And 4, we don't have matching record. And 3 already consumed. So total how many records we are getting by using inner join? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. So these 6 records we are getting. Okay. Next, we'll go for left join. Left join. So matching records. This we already found in inner join, and non-matching records from left join. So if you see in left join, so we have only non-matching record of 4. So in this table, how many are there? 1. So here we don't have. So that's why I written 1. 1 fourths. So we'll get 1 record. And the output, how it will generate? 4 null. Because 4 in table 1 it is there. Since table 2 it is not there, it will generate as null. 4 null. So total, this 6 plus 1. See here, this 6 plus this one non-matching record, 4 null. Whatever I mentioned, no, this one, 4 null. That is this one. And right join. So right join, matching records and non-matching records of right join. See here, 1, 2, 3, 2, 6. Only 6 is the non-matching record. See here, how many are there? 1. Okay, 1, 6 is there. So it will generate 1 record. What is that 1 record? Null 6. So since left table we don't have, it will get as null, and from right table 6. So you'll get these results. These are all matching records. This last one, null 6. This one, null 6. This is non-matching record. And next, full outer join. Matching records we already found. Non-matching records of left table we already found. Non-matching records of right table we already found. So total how many will get? 6 plus 1 plus 1, 8. So total 8 records will get. So in these first 6 are matching records. These 2 are non-matching records. And next, cross join. So cross join, how many records are there in table 1? 2, 4, 6. Okay, 6 and 2, 4, 5. So 6 into 5, 30. So by using cross join, it will generate 30 records. And we'll go for fifth question. See here, difference is they added nulls to get confused. Okay. So I'll capture this one. Yeah, so first this is the script to create table 1 and this is the script to create table 2. Okay, and this for Databricks users. Okay, so whenever you are running second time, no, whenever you are running this second time, this table, so first time table is created and it is in workspace, and once your cluster is terminated and you freshly started, and if you are try to run this cell, you will get error like table already exists like that. So that time use this code dbutilities fs.rm. So this path it will generate whenever you run this cell, it will throw one error. No, in that error, this path will be there. So if you run this code, what will happen? Existing table will get delete and it will create new table. Okay, so this is only for Databricks users, and this one creating table 2. So now I have 2 tables. Now we'll go for inner join. So inner join, what is the common records? So how many ones here? 2. Here how many? 1. So 2 ones, 1 ones. So total how many? 2. And next 2. How many 2s are there here? 1. Here how many are there? 2. Here 1, here 1. So 1, 2. So 1 into 2, 2. Next 3. How many 3 are there? 2 are there. Here 1. So 2 threes, 1 threes. So 2 into 1, 2. And 4, we don't have matching record. 3 already we covered. So we have 2 nulls, but for null, we don't have matching record here. Since initially we discussed null is not equal to null, so we cannot consider if we have both null in both the tables, we cannot consider as matching record. Okay, so we'll consider as non-matching record only. So here we given only matching records. Okay, inner join. In total, how many are there? Total 6 records. So here total 6 records it generated. And next it come to left join. First one is matching records. We already calculated, and non-matching records. If you see here which is the non-matching record first? 4. 4 is the non-matching record. And how many are there here? 1. And here we don't have. See, 4 fours 1 time. And total how many it will generate? 1 record. And what it will generate? 4 common null. Why? Because in left table we have 4. In table 2, right table we don't have. So it will generate null. So 4 null. And if you come to this one, this also non-matching record because these both nulls are equal. So it will consider as non-matching record. So null, how many are there? 1. So how many are there? This is 1. and this is 1. Okay, two are there. So I written separately. So what output you will get? This null, and here also null, because we don't have matching record, null. For this null, and here also null, because we don't have matching record. So that's why here null, 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 null. So how many records? 6 plus 3. Total 9 records it will generate. So in this first are common records, 4 null, and these 2 nulls are non-matching records. Okay. So next right join. So matching records we already calculated, and non-matching records of right join. So right table. So here 1, 2, 3, 2. So here only null is the non-matching record. So null, how many are there? 1. 1 value it will generate. So in right table we have null, and left table we don't have matching record. So null, null. So that only generated here, null. And if you see here, first 6 will be matching records, last will be non-matching record. And if you come to full outer join, see matching records we already calculated. Non-matching records of left table we already calculated. Non-matching records of right table we already calculated. So full outer join means all these combination. So these 6 are matching records. These first 3 and these are all non-matching records. Next, if come to cross join, in first table, how many records are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 into 5. So total 40 records will generate by using cross join. Okay, so next we'll jump on to next question. So first I created script for table 1, and this is for table 2. So after creating 2 tables, first I'm going for inner join. So in inner join, see 2, here also 2. Okay, all are 2. So here how many 2 are there? 1. And here how many 2's? 4. So 1 into 4, 4. So total 4 records it will generate. So all are 2's. And next, if you come to cross join, okay, so here I calculated only 2 joins, because this particular interview they asked only to find out only inner join and cross join. Okay, so inner join we discussed, cross join. First table we have only 1 record, second table we have 4. So 1 into 4, 4 records it will generate. Okay, so output will be same. And okay, so only 2 joins they asked here. So, but both are will get same result. Next, we'll jump on to next question. So here, first I'm creating table 1, and next I'm creating table 2. This is the script for table 2. And after creating with this, see I mentioned here, we'll get same output for all the joins. Okay, so but we'll see how we'll get same output. First, if you see inner join, here how many ones are there? 2. Here how many ones are there? 3. If you see 2, 3. If you multiply 2 into 3, 6. So inner join, it will generate 6 records. So and the 2 all are ones. It will generate only ones. And if you see here, see all 6 are ones only. And so, and if you see left join, so matching records. First is matching records. Matching records we already found those 6 records, and non-matching records of left table. See here we don't have non-matching records. So I given NA. So it's generating only matching records. That means inner join, left join as of now, generating same result. Next we'll go for right join. What is the right join? Matching records plus non-matching records of right table. So here also all ones matching is there. So here also we don't have any non-matching record. So I given NA. So finally what is generating right join? It also generating only matching records. So that means as of now, inner join, left join, right join, generating same result. Next we'll go for full outer join. What is full outer join? Matching records that we already calculated. Non-matching records of left table that we already calculated. Next, non-matching records of right table we already calculated. So these both are null. So finally, what is there? Only matching records. So full outer join also generating 6 records. Next, we'll come for cross join. So here, how many records are there? 2. Here, how many are there? 3. So 2 into 3, 6. So all the joins for this particular example will generate same number of records and same result. Okay, output. Next, we'll go for next question. So first I'll take a screenshot. So first I'm creating script for table 1 and this is the script for table 2. And once these 2 tables are created, we'll see inner join. So inner join, so here how many ones are there? 2. 2 ones are there. Here how many ones? Total 3 are there. So 2 ones, 3 ones. So 2 into 3, 6. And 2 we don't have matching. For 3 we don't have matching. So total it will generate 6 records by using inner join. See all are ones, 6 records. And next left join. First one is matching records that we already calculated. And second is non-matching records from left table. So non-matching record we have only one, that is 2. 2 we don't have any matching record here. So how many are there? 1. Okay, so 1, 2. So what output will generate? 2 null. So 2 is from this table, and since we don't have matching here, null. So 2 null. And total how many records? 7 records. And if you observe here, first 6 are matching records, 7 is non-matching record. And if you come to right join, first matching records we already calculated, and the non-matching records of right table, if you see here, we have only one record, that is 3. So we have one record, that is null 3. So why null 3? In left table we don't have 3, so that's why null. And since we have 3 here, 3. So null 3. So total how many records? 7. So first is common records. This is non-matching record, null comma 3. And next is full outer join. We already calculated matching records, and we already calculated non-matching records of left table, and we already calculated non-matching records of right table. So total how many? 6, 7, 8. So total 8 records will generate with full outer join. In these first 6 are matching records. This is one non-matching record. This is one of the non-matching record. And final one is cross join. And for cross join, how many records from table A? 3 records, and 4 records from table 2. So 3 into 4, 12. So total 12 records will get. Okay. And final question. Okay. And I'll take screenshot of this. So this is the script for table 1, and this is the script for table 2. And first we'll try for inner join. So we'll try to get for matching records. So here, how many ones are there in this table? 2. So here, how many ones are there? 3. So 2 ones, 3 ones. So 2 into 3, 6. Next, we'll go for 2. So here, how many are there? 2. So here, how many are there? Only 1. So 2's in table 1, 2. 2's in table 2, 1. So 2 into 1, 2. Okay, so and for 3, we don't have matching record here. So total, how many records will generate? 6 plus 2, 8. 6 ones, 2 twos. Okay, 6 ones, 2 twos. And if you go for left join, matching records, we already calculated. Non-matching records of left table. See, we don't have any non-matching record from left table. So that's why I given NA. So output will be same for inner join and left join. Okay, same output. And if you go for right join, matching records from both the table, we already calculated, and non-matching records of right table. So in from table 2, only 3 is the non-matching record. We have only 1. So that's why I mentioned 1. We have 1 record, 3's. So how output, how it will generate? Null 3. So why? Because in left table, null, we don't have record, and right table 3. Okay, null 3. So finally, how many records will get? 8 plus 1, total 9 records. And if you see here, except this, remaining all matching records, this is one non-matching record. And next will come for full join. Matching records, we already found. And the non-matching records of left table, we already have. Non-matching records of right table, we already calculated. So total how many? See, 8 plus 1, 9. See here, except this remaining all matching records, only this one non-matching record. And if you come to cross join, if you see here in table 1, we have total 4 records, and in table 2, we have 5 records. So 4 into 5, 20. So it will generate 20 records. Okay. So I covered almost 10 different questions from 10 different interviews. Okay, so I try to explain uh, all joins here, how to count, how to get number of records after applying different types of joins. So that's all about this video. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.